Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about how to add marks by a teacher for the subjects in Fedina. So this login as administrator. So you can see the teacher's details from data and reports so you can see an option here that is employee subject association. So you can see all your employee details and you can see which subject that the employee is taking care. So let me consider this employee and you can see this employee is taking this subject that is English. So we can do one thing. We already created examination for this batch that is G2 1415 and as a teacher they can add mark for this subject. So as an administrator they can create the examination for each batch and as a teacher they can add the mark for the respective subjects. So in this session we will only discussing about how a teacher can add the marks for the subjects. So let me log in as one of the teacher for that subject that is for English. So I am logging as that employee. So you can find examination from academics. So this is login as one of the employee that is Abu. He's taking care of English subject. So this is login as a employee who is taking care of English subjects. So you can find examination from academics and you can click this exam management. So before that you have to select the class. So you can see that employee that is Abu, he is taking care of these two classes, grade 1 normal and grade 5 CC. So let me select grade 1 normal and you can see under this class they're having two batches and also they're having examination conducting for each batch. So let me select this batch G2 1415 and you can see under this batch that is under this G2 2014-15 we have created an exam group. The name the admin give at the time is exam group and you can click this option that is manage exam for managing the exam in the exam group. So you can see this is a subject in that batch and this subject is handled by this employee. So he can add marks for the students in that batch. So if you click this English you can see total 2 students are there. So you have to give mark for English out of 100 because in the exam group maximum mark the admin configured for the subject is 100 and the minimum mark is 0. So as a teacher he or she can add the mark for the students. So let me add mark for the students. And one more thing, if the teacher want to add any remark for the students based upon the mark, the teacher can add the remark. So in this way they can add. So they can add the marks as well as remarks. Then once you save this, they can see the grade of that particular students if it is configured. So in this way, the teacher for the respective subject can add the mark for the students in that batch through that exam group. So this is all about how to add marks by a teacher for the subjects.